Hey guys, it's Istebrak. I just wanted to announce really quickly that I'll be using Picarto to stream my after hours tonight around 8 p.m. And if you're interested, just join, make an account, and chat with me tonight. We're going to be running through some technical stuff so that if it runs smoothly tonight during our stream, we could possibly use it for critique hour tomorrow. My biggest critique about Picarto is, among other things, is the lack of an education channel. So that is a little bit, I feel like, art education is a really big subject online, and it's a world of self-taught. It's really very difficult to find something, real authority online. So having an education topic for streaming really gives us that back, gives us that collective way to find each other. And I wish that they had that. They do have a number of questionable topics to work with, and I don't want to be associated with them. But at the same time, they are very open to all topics of art streaming, which I appreciate actually. And I think it's a pretty safe area for us to stream for now. I do like that streaming on YouTube for YouTube idea, and I never really blamed YouTube. As you guys know, I blame their flagging system. I moved to YouTube from Twitch because of Twitch's unreasonable restrictions and strict interpretation of what's creative. So I went to YouTube as a form of refuge from Twitch and their behavior with my channel, and I'll try to talk about it in detail during tonight's after hours, what exactly happened with Twitch. But at the end of the day, I'm not really blaming YouTube as a whole. I think that they are pretty lenient. It's just their flagging system that that anyone can do to any channel, and that channels with real content aren't protected. That's my problem with YouTube. No one is protecting channels from this kind of harassment, this kind of distress, this grief, and they need to up their game. Please don't stop tweeting at them. Tweet once a day if you can, if you have time. I don't want to stress you out or make you bear my burden, but thank you to every single person who tweeted. I read every single one and hearted every single one, and I have read every single comment. And the views on that video before this was just, so many views, and I'm happy that a lot of people are noticing this. Picarto was very, very sweet to tweet me and discuss this problem with me. They welcomed me, gave me a month of premium for free as a form of welcome, just for the period of waiting, and I think that was really sweet. So if you do have streaming that you want to do, they have tons and tons and tons of topics you can stream under. There has to be one that suits you, from crafts to illustration. So go ahead and try to give them a shot. I'm going to give them a shot tonight and see how all of this works out. I hope to see all of my regular visitors from my stream, all my students and my friends. I hope to see you guys tonight if you have time. And maybe we can just ignore all this, put this all behind us like nothing happened, and just enjoy a nightly hangout of just art and talk and our word games and discussing everything, and just continuing the voice of this community. Thank you guys for all your support. I love you guys. I'll see you tonight. Bye.